How to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 10. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today in this video, we will be discussing how to change monitor refresh rate on Windows 10. So now let's get started. First of all, right click or press and hold if you have a touchscreen, then select Display Settings. You will see the general display settings for your PC. Scroll to the bottom and click on Advanced Display Settings. And now you are in the right place. Under refresh rate, you can change the refresh rate for your monitor. By clicking the drop-down menu, you will see a list of available refresh rates. Now, the refresh rate shown depends on your monitor. For instance, some monitors support refresh rates higher than 60 Hz, such as 120 Hz or even more. Generally, a higher refresh rate means smoother motion, which is beneficial for gaming and other activities. However, ensure that your monitor and graphics card can work well together. If your monitor only supports 60 Hz but your graphics card can provide a much higher frame rate, you will face a significant bottleneck. Keep this in mind adjusting your settings. I hope you found this video helpful. So this is how we can change monitor refresh rate on Windows 10. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.